Okay. So back at it again. You know, the usual. Yeah, just bringing a film on for you, because you know we haven't filmed in a while. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He got a mini, so he's potentially.
It's the mini crapper. That's its nickname.
The mini crapper. Okay. Yeah, we haven't done a video in a while because boats suck and vacation.
Camping was fun.
Yeah. Well,
that all went well.
Yeah, that went well. Caught fish. It was all good.
Yeah. Nice pike. I was content.
Why? You driving it now?
See, sexy.
See, sexy? Yeah, that's true. That's terrible.
Yeah.
I'm disappointed in his actions, but moving on.
It's because Cole's got to drive it to work, and I've got to, like, you know, make sure it's not crap before she drives it like 100K one way to work.
That makes sense. Anyways, so Brandon's got his motor together. Didn't film it much.
We can look up the comp cam number.
Okay, go ahead. Yes.
Sorry, Brett.
There was a smudge.
I could look up the comp cam number for the cam, but it's a high lift, lower duration. It's like a 215, 223, 604, 610, 112, I think. It's a 6 liter, 243 heads, milled like 6 thou, just to get all the crap out of the cylinders. The motor this came off of was well maintained, to say the least. So we had to fix them up a bit. Lapped all the valves, moved my valve springs over. Yeah. So basically it's a super stock Gen 3 6 liter with a bunch of squeeze that we're gonna put a blower on. It'll be mint.
Okay, so that's the plan today. If you're wondering, I mean, it's ready to go in because Brandon's like super ready and everything today. I'm late as usual.
So am I. I forgot the keys, man. I forgot the keys for the truck where all the stuff is stored. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we're putting the motor in today. I'm gonna see if I can find a stand so I can
time
lapse and do all that fancy fun stuff.
We're hoping to fire up today.
That'd be a neat feature. It's a lot to go on.
Let's see.
Okay, let's get to that.
We have to flow test injectors. Maybe we'll show you a clip of that.
Oh yeah, we'll definitely try to. It's a shitty flow test bench.
Yeah.
We'll show you that.
We're basically just comparing injectors.
It's sketchy.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. Last time I did it, I thought it was mint and burnt an engine down, so it's not mint. But at least we got a good comparison of what the injectors are. Yeah, cool. Let's do this. Let's get at her.
Yep, this engine bay is going to look a lot fucking smaller in the next few minutes.
Yeah. Luckily, it's a big engine bay.
Yeah. Lots of hardware. Hey, look, it's recording. So, still doing boat things over there. You know, new tires, rims, all that good stuff. He's thinking about wrapping it. It's for sale. Eat it up. Well, motor's in, bolted in, engine mounts are done up, trans is bolted on, starter's on, all the under the truck work's on, done.
Are you talking?
Yeah. Boah! So all that's coming up now is getting the exhaust manifolds on, put the plugs in, and then dress the motor, accessory drive, blower. Yeah, it's coming right along. You know, except for coffee breaks. Tim's, eh?
Well, the blower's on. Ha! Whoa, smash! Yeah, Brandon's freaking hauling butt on this. Look at that. She's like together-ish. On the ish side. And I wrapped a boat. See? If I go like this, like right here, look how freaking mint that boat looks. then you kind of weasel your way over to the front, and well, it's more of a half wrap than anything. So that side's still better than, well, the poopy looking side. Anyways, we're making progress on stuff today. I don't really show too much of this thing because I hate it so much that it's just kind of engulfing my life. But look, looks cool.
A ghetto setup for the flow test.
So this is our ghetto flow test bench thingamabobski, had it hooked up to the car and all that cool stuff. So we were a little bit concerned about one of these injectors, and as you can see, they are dead even. So clearly it's not the injectors, which, you know, obviously they shouldn't be because they're literally brand new. What are they, fuel tank?
Fast injectors.
Fast injectors?
85s or whatever that are actually 89.7.
Yeah, fast 89.7s or whatever, that fancy stuff. So that's good, and obviously he's got the hat on and all that cool stuff right damn there. Okay, time for fire. It's late, pretty much took us all day, so
9 o'clock. We started at, I don't know, 11 8.
yeah. There you go, nothing.
I watch for oil pressure.
Might want to prime her a couple times.
What?
Prime it a couple times. How's fuel pressure?
Fuel pressure's fine.
Yeah.
Oil pressure started to come up.
There you go. Come on, lifters! They no pump up. They no pump up.
Oh, that's why.
Why?
I didn't clear the codes yet.
Ah,
That's why I'm like, why is throttle input no do anything?
right.
Yeah. Psych! Be right back.
He forgot to clear the codes. Hey, look, you can see me now. Clear codes, and yeah. Hopefully this it's going good. So far the motor is nice and quiet. So I mean, obviously it's a little bit ticky in the beginning because there's no like fuel pressure or anything there. But that's why you put pre-lube in it and everything. And you probably should have primed it, but we didn't because we're senders. And again. Ooh, lights.
Round two.
Come on, figure yourself out. There she goes. Yeah. We gotta do the catchy. Lean as fuck. It'll figure itself out.
Not at 20, well.
What?
5.
Oh, she's a smeckle lean.
Yeah.
We got the smoke. Hey, it smells like coolant.
Could just be burning off.
It looks like it's in the header area.
I mean, I did have my beat bits all over.
Yeah. Oh, there she goes. What are you talking about? She's like 14.6, 14.7 now.
I don't hear anything terrible. There's a little noise over here, but
Maybe fine. Sounds mint.
yeah, for first fire up.
First fire up. I call that a win. Super win.
Oh yeah, it figured itself out.
Yeah, it figured itself out. I was looking, I was like, glanced over and I saw the 14. I'm like, it's fine.
Yeah. If it hadn't figured itself out by now, I was gonna be a little
Concerned.
fucking terrified.
Yeah. All right, boys and girls. That's all there's to it. Sounds sounds sweet. I don't know if he's gonna freaking just rev her to the moon or something, because it's Brandon. He's a bit of a savage. Nobody cares about this motor. It's not a 4.8. Okay, well, anyways, do all the good stuff. You know that. Like, subscribe, do that stuff. Hey, share, tell your friends, do all that. Whatever, man. Just do stuff. You do stuff, I do stuff. Sweet. See ya.